Fasting is a time to cleanse the body and mind of impurities and help connect one with the divine. It's also a time to experiment in the kitchen and create new dishes that will keep your family satisfied and well nourished too. Today, Thigam Nathoo shares her homemade veg patty recipes, which are ideal for school lunches.
Good day and welcome to Cooking with Thigam on Sadhana. Today we're going to be making a lentil burger, which is made with chana, otherwise known as chickpeas. Sprouts, gram flour, black pepper, chickpeas, vegetable oil, garlic paste, grated carrot, salt, chili, spring onion, red onion, and feta cheese. What I'm going to do first is to put my chickpeas in my bowl. If you're using chickpeas that have been soaked overnight and then you're going to blend it, throw the water away, you can always add either vegetable stock or just plain water as you need it. Empty the chickpeas into the blender, put our lid on. I just want to give this a little bit of a stir so that all the chickpeas gets blended in. I'm going to put the chili and the spring onion into the chickpeas so that we get a nice color as well. This is a burger without any buns. You can make this burger and serve it like a traditional burger with the bun, but this is a healthy burger, so we're going to be serving it with salad. What we're going to do is we're going to empty this paste into our dish. And you can see it's quite a nice thick paste. We don't need to add any more liquid to this. I'm going to add my grated carrots to this. Remember, the carrots have water in it. If you put too much, your patty may become a bit watery. So we'll add another half of that. This was one whole grated carrot. I'm going to put some garlic in there. Salt to taste. We're going to blend this in now. I also want to break in some of the feta and mash that into the mixture just to give it a little bit of an extra kick. We've got approximately a cup of gram flour here. I will put in a little at a time. Going to put in a grinding of pepper. Okay, our mixture is now ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to form a patty by taking some of the mixture onto my palm. It's quite a messy business, so have your water nearby. And I'm going to form a little patty like that. And we're going to place that on our hot oil. And I'll just do one more patty, move the other patty so they cook evenly. And I'm going to now turn it over. There we go. Lovely golden brown patty. And that's our little salad done. Just want to check. And it's done. So we're going to take a little bit of the salad, put it on this white tile. You get a lovely effect with the colors on the rocket leaves. What it does is it does two things. It absorbs the oil from the patty. If you want to serve two patties, you can. So there you go. So that at least you know what the inside is going to look like. A little more of our leaves. Green is good. And there we go.
As quoted in the Ramayana, whatever is one's food, the same food shall be offered to one's God. The best prasadam we can offer is loving thoughts and actions towards our brethren and the sweet fruits of our devotion to the Lord. We end our show with a beautiful offering of Jai Ganesha Deva performed by the Ladysmith Bhakti Sangeet. Until next week, keep up your sadhana. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं गुरु मेरे सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी। माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूस की सवारी। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी। माथे पर तिलक सोहे मूस की सवारी। पान चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा। लडवन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। अंधे को आँख देत कोढ़िन को काया। बांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया। अंधे को आँख देत कोढ़िन को काया। बांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया। सूर शाम शरण आए सफल कीजे सेवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।